And there was no concept of negative unit economics, by the way. So there was revenue made on every ticket sold. So, I mean, we didn't understand negative unit economics at all. That was something quite new to me also in the madness of 2011, 2012. The other system that we built was a very interesting system. It was a online shopping system, but not with a fixed price, with a reverse auction system. So the categories were largely consumer durables, commoditized consumer durables, and those days mobiles were also largely commoditized. The concept was very simple. It was called Tell Your Price. It was motivated because I was doing travel, so I was obviously motivated with Priceline, Name Your Price. So obviously I had understood what Priceline does, but it was called Tell Your Price. So consumers were supposed to say, so we would say, hey, here's an air conditioner, 1.5 ton air conditioner. In the market, this air conditioner sells for 22,000 rupees. Air conditioners used to be a very expensive product. So here's a television, flat screen television. In the market, this product is for 24,000. You tell your price. Okay. So you would tell your price, and we would say that if whatever price you've told, we will basically, if we price match, we'll ship the product to you. The consumers had to authenticate the credit cards, just like the way you have to do it on a Netflix. So those days, Indian entities were allowed to authenticate and pre-authenticate and charge. In India now, it's a pretty big challenge because of 3D Secure. So the way it used to work is that consumers would bid for that air conditioner. Consumers would tell their price for that air conditioners. The manufacturers like LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, they would bid for that demand. And it was just completely amazing. I mean, the amount of traction we got with, the system becoming, and there was no mobile apps those days. There was no mobile web. It was all desktop web.
Right.
And typically for me, the big learning was you give value to the consumers, they will come to the system somehow or the other, right? They will come. You give value, you basically make something valuable, they will figure out. Again, that was like our take at how e-commerce should be done for consumer products and consumer durables. I wonder why no one did that again. I have no answer because I never kind of delved into it. But again, something which was super interesting. I remember convincing LGs and Samsungs. So when I went to convince them, so I didn't say, listen, come and do a deal with me, give me X commission. Guess what I told them? So I went to LG. Yeah. I met, and there's a guy called Salil Kapoor. I don't know if you know him. He's a pretty senior guy in the consumer electronic industry. He was previously the COO of DSTV. He's also a customer.
Voltas, yeah.
I shouldn't say this. And Voltas also, right? So I went and met Salil Kapoor. And I didn't say, listen, I want to do a deal with you. And I didn't go and educate to him what we want to do. I told him, listen, we want to buy 5,000 air conditioners. Tell me what price will you give me? So he gave me a price. Then I did the same thing with Samsung, the same thing with Whirlpool, same thing with Electrolux. I don't know if Electrolux is alive. So same thing with these 10, 20 consumer durable companies. And I realized that there are a lot of inefficiencies. And I started challenging them. Then I started telling them, okay, I want to buy. Will you customize the product? Because all of these guys had a dealer conflict issue. Give me a unique model. I think Amazon Basics does that now very well. Okay, give me a unique model. Give me a unique serial number, unique model. Make some change, and will you give me a unique value proposition? So they agreed, and then back to back, I went and collected demand. So I never gave them in advance. The minute I collected demand, then I started giving them purchase orders. Till then. They didn't know what the scheme is. I didn't give them a system where they should start bidding. Only when I had done 2 or 3 cycles and they said, yaar, ye to bahut mota buyer hai, that I started to then ask them, listen, now you bid for these customers. Right. So it was pretty massive. I learned the 2-sided system, how this gets orchestrated. It was very exciting.